Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we say our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Jamie O'Hara will be one of Tottenham Hotspur former player. We don't turn pundits now. So back on come outside the talk say Arsenal they look a bit special this season. See the way then they play and the signing of Gabriel Jesus, the way the guy don't uplift the team, both Zinchenko, saying like everything where they do, but he get one player on one position rather where Arsenal will sign, where they will come look like the finished goods, they will come look like a Man City side, and that position that a midfielder. See Arsenal need somebody in the caliber of Yuri Tillemans. Or they then sign another person will get the same quality. Either they say Yuri Tillemans or they sign somebody else with of that quality. Like for these guys have to come outside and talk say Arsenal is special. Like this guy, the person will not say he don't like Arsenal. He's very critical of Arsenal style of play. Now our critic can be now in loyalty day for sports. So for him to come outside, leave his bias and be more objective and say the truth. Say this season there's something special about this Arsenal side. And now what him himself at the talk, now what every Arsenal fan said they see it is obvious, something that is visible to the blind, audible to the deaf, like anybody can see it. They just they happy saying they come outside and talk the truth now. So away from that, so our monitoring spirit that they call corner home, say don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal is the only team with 100% record, because when you check them like you see say for the whole EPL teams, now only Arsenal never lose. You get now then they up there. So many people nobody themselves as in trend for social media yesterday. We check Twitter yesterday. Arsenal the trend, Jesus the trend, Zinchenko the trend, Odegaard the trend, like everybody Ateta the trend, like Edugaspago as in top of the league the trend. I just enjoy everything. I just follow all the news. Then at the same time, Rudy Galetti himself will be the sports editor of the Insider. Don't come outside call the talk say Pepe deal to OG Nice. Now just a matter of time before the thing will materialize. So if that's not just some paper they won't really sign, you get, but anytime soon this deal will go, because the hierarchy of people like maybe at that time, the Gaspar Richard Garlic, they don't call Pepe and a representative. Let them know say make una find una square root to get. Make sure so una get where this guy go play before September 1, because Ateta no plan to use him at all, and they need him to leave so that there will be space for new incoming. You get. So from all indicators, so they see everything is going positive. Pepe deal, if they high up there, it would be likely to materialize. So now just a matter of time, according to what our monitoring spirit corner home, they tell us. Even though they corner home, so they talk about this Pepe matter. Even Fabrizio Romano said, don't come as I say, Pepe deal to OG Nice is ongoing, which means the negotiations they on the way. This one Ashola, you get now Ashola, me I get 100% believe say the deal it will happen. Even David Einstein self talk about him, so I just did 100%. And Nice self don't approve him. So highest maybe in the next few days now, they just say here we go, Pepe to OG Nice confirmed. You get, so well, our prayer be that. And you get something I want to report for now. I get one of our community member on YouTube where they call Hopefulness Tundai. So Baba call me out say I dey make too much mistake according to him comment. So I dey make too much mistake for my show. Say Odegaard now win the man of the match for the match we play against Bournemouth. So I don't know the match we watch, because from all indicators what I see that Gabriel Jesus they give the man of the match. So to him now it's calling me out that I made a mistake. And when I first see that comment, the thing it vexed me. But I can't later forgive him due to his ignorance, because sometimes people use words that they may not know the meaning. Do you know the meaning of too much mistakes? You're telling me I'm making too much mistakes in my show. Do you know what that means? How many mistakes you don't see why I make? In my history of this is my third season why they cover, I have shot over 400 videos. You cannot spot at least 10 mistakes. You know if you come say I can make mistake in figures. I can make mistake in maybe name, maybe I don't pronounce it well, but you can't tell me the news actually say I made a mistake. That one a big lie, because all these news are the verifier. If I come bring them out to the fore, you get. Say maybe go.com talk one news, maybe the club come debunk am. Go.com like the responsibility there to put up a rejoinder that this news will see. Meanwhile, they have their own sources. I don't make news. I announce, I report. That's what you should understand. Most of you don't even know that I studied mass communication. Like, I'm a journalist. I do my job. I give you verified news. You coming out to tell me Odegaard now win which man of the match? After the match, Sky Sports gave Gabriel Jesus the man of the match. Even if you need a soothsayer or a spiritualist to tell you, say, now Gabriel Jesus is the man of the match. If he didn't do all those driving when he do, how Odegaard don't score? And another point of correction, we say, after the match, Arsenal hosts their own poll. It's a vote. It's a voting system where they put Saliba, they put Odegaard, they put Jesus, and they put Zinchenko. So many people vote for their man of the match. Even that voting itself, the results never did for Arsenal official websites. So I don't know where you got your own Odegaard won which man of the match. I don't know where you saw that. So nobody's infallible. So for you to even come outside to say you want to correct me, at least know what you are saying. Know what you are saying. Bring verifiable evidence. If it is a link, post it. Don't just go and see some kind of blogs where you don't know what they do. They just write something, come and use it to tell me, that thing vexes me. Don't try it again, please. Don't try it, I beg. Then moving on, our monetary spiritual they call a creme corner. Don't come outside, come the time tell us say Arsenal they plan to move for Shakhtar Donetsk striker what they call Mijalo Mudryk. And nobody a creme corner, so they let us know this one. Even the Sun, Mirror, Football London, many sources. They come outside and they talk the same thing. This boy na small boy, get so Arsenal say they really need him. They compare this boy to Lucas Paqueta, to Neymar. He's about 21 years or thereabouts. A very young boy. So Arsenal they say they won't sign up. It's just an interest. They never send any formal offer or anything. Well, this is what it is. If they go sign up, they sign up. But the guy go, they pacey and they tricky. So a nice one. Our Falari Balogun don't score again for Reims, waiting for Ligue 1. So Balogun scored 3 goals in 3 matches, and many people don't praise the guy because he don't break one record we then set since 1975. Because the only person who don't score 3 in 3 for Reims, then they call Jacques Wagner, and now August 1975. So the guy don't break that. That's a 40-something-year-old record. So he don't score. I don't understand. Any Arsenal player will go Ligue 1 will start to perform. Look at Tavares score goals back to back. What's this up? And the person who looks in a shit packer for Arsenal, he got come here go shine. Look at Falari Balogun now. You know they okay to play for Arsenal, but he don't go Reims and don't they score. I not just understand. It can't be like say the standard of Arsenal is too high. When we say players cannot flourish very well, but they can't go another league, they can't play well. For you to know, say the EPL and League 1, no be mates. At the same time, our monetary spiritual they call McMahon Bryans don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal don't open contract talks with Martinelli. Gets now improved terms, and this term are they very happy. Why are they happy? We say say this guy now they play very well. So they look say they want like reward them for the good things when they do. Not be say in contract they expire anytime soon. In contract now very lengthy contract in get. But lo and behold, they just want to reward and make sure say in salary itself they high up with the people they perform for the club. So a nice one. I've also not think. For the matches where they play yesterday, it gets some shocking results where we see like Chelsea playing Leeds and Leeds beating Chelsea 3-0. This goes to tell you say, you see this EPL, it is very hard. EPL is not an easy league. Anything can happen. Look at Thomas Tuchel now, but they complain say the 3-0 where they chop. It don't goes to show say they need reinforcement. They need make the club buy players before September 1. As Chelsea did like this, now Chelsea no get an out striker. They see they use Kai Havertz as the number 9. We don't make sense. Like I see that Chelsea lineup, I was like, this Chelsea now won't finish ahead of us on the table. Chelsea no look convincing. Look at the Koulibaly where they buy from Napoli, where they look say this guy na Rock of Gibraltar is very strong, is very this. Look at how this the guy. The guy even collect red card at the end of the day. Like they don't bring up. You see, EPL is a different kettle of fish. I keep saying this. You can't compare other leagues. This EPL, they will humble you if you come here. If you don't know what they do. When they hype yourself, look at Koulibaly. Look at the Varane. Waiting for Manchester United. We don't know how Varane and Sergio Ramos they rule Madrid for La Liga. But then come EPL, you don't talk in short, in stock don't fall. Look at Koulibaly now, don't drop. Come on, don't play with EPL. Apart from that, even Man City itself, they don't spare them. Man City play against Newcastle and they play 3-3. Can you have imagined that? Pep Guardiola when they complain, say almost say the league is too hard, say therefore lose the match. Like they just did lucky shot, just score. They even give a Newcastle player a red card. Come like see they overturn them. I don't even know. I think they overturned it. Graham Trippier. I think they overturned it. But that match goes to show say Newcastle now another formidable force for the EPL. You see, this season, a lot of shockers are going to happen. Things where you no expect. Now what you go to see? Liverpool go play Manchester United today. Now 2 of them never win. I will know what will happen. But this season, it's going to be a banger. Arsenal legend sef, wey they call Lee Dixon, don't come outside come talk about the amazing All or Nothing documentary they do about Arsenal. So Baba come to say that documentary no be reality. See that thing, not just editing. Now this is the editor say what be the reality? Now be the fact that Arsenal has played 3 matches this season and they have won all of the matches. They don't win 3 in 3. And then get the 100% record for the EPL as of now. They are top of the league. So that is the reality to show you that the team is playing well. So that Amazon documentary is nonsense. I would say about that. So now editing, so no be real life. But I'm not going to understand about it. No be I think no be real life. No be what you will play the record. Nobody will do. Nobody high TV. Anyway, now your own perspective be that. After the match, they play against Bournemouth, and as Arsenal win, so Mikel Arteta can dedicate the win to Braddock and the family. Braddock now be that our groundsman we die. I think August 19th is the CEO, head of all groundsmen for Arsenal we die. So Arteta dedicates the win to him and the family. Say himself, the guy is very very popular for Arsenal, and himself when he comes join Arsenal, he meets the guy. Then when he becomes the manager, him with the guy they rapport well. So everybody will miss the guy because he's a very nice guy. Away from that, so Ramsdale come outside from media sets where they call the ask him the impact of players will come Arsenal. So Baba can talk say you see players like Zinchenko, you see players like Gabriel Jesus, you see players like Saliba. See their entry into Arsenal don't make Arsenal more ruthless. You are looking at a Jesus and a Zinchenko that are bringing winning mentality from Man City. These are serial winners. They don't come here, so they know what it takes to win. Like they are used to winning, so they don't bring that winning mentality, and that mentality now you don't rub off on the team. So now we see Baba they explain. At the same time, he got to talk about William Saliba. Say Saliba is about 21 years old. He's a French national. He won the Young Player of the Year award in Ligue 1, and he's coming to Arsenal. Played his first 3 games. The fans already said don't get song for him. Come on, what more can you ask for? These 3 people, as they just enter inside the first 11, it makes everything difficult. And when you look at our first 11, look at our bench, look at the Kylian Tierney, who people they talk say Kylian Tierney is going to be our captain in the future. He cannot even get into the first 11. Look at Tomiyasu, who we felt was one of the best right backs in the world. He cannot even get into the first 11. Look at Emile Smith Rowe, who they feel say is one of the attractive and attacking midfielders that we have in world football today. He cannot even get into the first 11. This goes to show you say this Arsenal squad now presently Arsenal first 11 is a force to be reckoned with. You can't take it away from them. 3 games, 3 wins, 2 clean sheets. What more can you ask for? Then the guy statistics if we call the comment side talk say Gabriel Jesus never ever lose any match when he score. Now that news now we say with the year and a very very nice one. I never see anybody come as I call it debunk that statistics. Well, it's a very nice one. I hope say the team will continue as in for us and say any match when the guy score, say Nashola, we don't win that match. Well, now many matches to come and I go decide that this one not true. Whether it's going to be something go dey factual, it will stay, and it's going to be broken. We don't know. The other guy itself can't come outside from media set, he can't explain, say him be captain now, but at the same time they take leadership lessons, leadership advice from Granit Xhaka, because Granit Xhaka now the unofficial captain, the guy that leader, natural leader. You get, he doesn't need to wear the arms band for you to know that he's the leader. And I hear he's one of the vice captain, like he's part of the leadership group. I think him, Jesus, and Odegaard. So in the take some Odegaard take lessons, right? Because Xhaka has seen it all. You get, he has been the captain, he has gotten the armband stripped off from him, so he has seen everything. You get, so I just be very very happy with the squad. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click up so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy this new week and them out.